Hi everyone. Alright, so I want to give you the instructions on how to use the peer editing desks, okay? So what you're going to do is the first thing you want to do is you want to fill your desk. So right now your desk probably is something similar to this, but obviously your name tag is decorated, okay? So we need to put the documents that need to go on here. On my desk, okay, it says copy these pages. So this one here. So what you're going to do is you're going to select one, click Shift, and select the second one. Do Control C, then go to yours and do Control V. It will place it in the correct spot. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to do. All right, next is we need to actually put our artwork on our desk. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to Insert, Image, Camera. Now, let's see if it'll work because I have, oh, beautiful. Because when I'm recording, it sometimes doesn't do it, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture of your art, all right? And we're going to insert it here, all right? If you would like, you can crop it so it's just your image, okay? Now, I do understand that sometimes you might get your fingers in here, but if you could try your best to try to, get the least amount of fingers in there, that'd be best, all right? Okay, so let's resize it and put it on our desk. Okay, so it's nice and big, all right? So first thing we're gonna do is you are going to do a self-check. So you're gonna go in on this one and you're gonna answer the questions, okay? If you can, please put them in bold. So is your project neat and have strong constructions? Yes or no? No maybes, okay? It's black and white in this thing, all right? So you're going to answer craftsmanship, creativity, composition, and content, all right? Don't do the finalizing touches just yet, okay? Now, after this, you're going to tell your partner to go onto your desk, and they're going to fill out the peer edit. They're going to put their name on, okay? And under the glow, they're going to talk about the skills, okay? If your partner can't remember what the skills are, go back and look at them, okay? So skills are specifically what was taught in the lesson, okay? Composition talks about everything that's in place, okay? Whether, let's say, you drew something and you drew a tree or something like that, and it's looking for other elements in there. Did you show depth? Did you do stuff like that, okay? On the main slide, on the main whiteboard, the slide before this one, okay, it's going to give you some tips on, like things that are added and stuff like that, okay? So that's what composition is. Basically, the stuff that's within it. Grow. This is stuff that could be worked on, okay? And this is where you might have to nitpick just a little bit because sometimes there are a lot of areas that might need to grow or there might be small areas, okay? So skill, try to, give something that's helpful. Don't be like, well, you got to do all of this, okay? So give one skill. Composition. Please don't give something that is, like, oh, by the way, you need to redo this and put it into like whatever way, all this color or whatever. Do something that is actually possible to do without overhauling the whole thing, okay? Like maybe add something or maybe do a little bit more of, or maybe if there's like something's a little messy, you might say, can you clean this up, okay? So that's what I'm looking for. So those are them. When you're done, okay, completely done, and everything's all been, reviewed, okay, and written up, I want you to look over everything, okay, what your partner said, what you've done through your self-check, and I want you to come up with something that finalizes it, something that you can do to make this better, to push it more. It could be something where your partner suggested for a grow. It could be something that you found in the self-check. Write down in the finalizing touch, and then ready? Do it. Okay? Do it. Ready? Do it. Okay? All right. Let's do this. All right? So, how do we hand this in? Do one of two things. You can screenshot it, okay, which is absolutely fine, all right? or if you go up to File, okay, go to Download. There are two options here, JPEG or PNG. Either one. What you're going to do is you're going to click on it. It's going to make it an image, okay? It's probably going to save it into your files, and then you can upload it into the assignment, okay, to hand in. Now, when you're done, it's all been submitted, you can clear your board, okay? You can clear your desk. And then next time you need to do things, go back to the main slide, go back to my desk, click on both, copy, paste, okay? So that's how we're going to work with our desks.